What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about the 3 signs of having a bad alternator. So the first sign is having a dead battery. The alternator is there to charge the battery. So if the alternator is not doing its job, as in charging the battery, guess what it's doing? It's draining the battery, because the battery is there to help power the radio, the headlights, the interior lighting, the dash, and all the other stuff in the vehicle that need battery. So all the stuff in the vehicle needing battery or need juice from the battery, guess what? It's draining the battery, because the alternator is there to help charge the battery, keep the battery charged. So it's like the battery and the alternator is friends. The alternator is what charges the battery, and all the other stuff what kills the battery. So the second sign is the battery light. The battery light comes on because somewhere in the charging system something's going wrong. So what does that mean? It's the alternator, not the battery. You may think it's the battery because you see the battery light, and yes, it's not true, because it happened to your boy Artofspeedd. I had a battery light came on and I was like, oh, it's the battery. And no, it's not the battery. If the battery light comes on, that means it's the alternator. So the alternator is going bad. That is the first sign of the alternator is going bad. If the battery light comes on, go down to your local mechanic or your local dealership and tell them, hey, your battery light came on, and they'll know what to do, because it's your alternator. And yeah, you don't want to have those problems, because now you're on the side of the road stranded. The next run-up is dim lighting. So the dim lighting, as in your headlight, your dashboard light, and your interior lighting. All of those lights will be dim as you driving down the road, and your headlights is getting a little dim or look a little dark than usual. It's not bright. Yes, your alternator is going bad. Even your interior and your dash lights, yeah, they may be a little bit darker than usual. Even if your interior switch is all the way to its max, guess what? Yeah, it's your alternator. Because it happened to your boy Artofspeedd in the Dodge Neon. I was riding around getting it, and I was like, yo, why my headlights is dark? And I was looking like, yo, this is crazy. So guess what? It was the alternator. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of Artofspeedd family, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.